how we keeping it real with Dainelle. Welcome to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. You in the panel, part of the family. You with the bell. You comment and like and share as well with the friend. That's right. Welcome to the life. Feeling alright when we keeping it real with Dainelle. Keep it real with Dainelle.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's a girl for those who know, don't know, and wanna know. So yes, I know this is part 2. As you can see down in the title, I'm about to do my second laps of my exams. Nervous now. Almost getting to some energy off. It's been a rough morning. It's been a rough yesterday. I lost one of my friends, and I decided that I want to come with something new in this vlog in particular. In a vlog, I must start giving a word for the day, and to share a word for today, life is too short. In that same speed, don't go to bed angry at anybody. Try to mend whatever happened within the day, and you know, you don't know. One minute you're here, the next minute you're not, and it's very sad. You don't want to live in regrets. You don't want to be like, oh, I wish I've done this or spend a little more time. It's a lot, but yeah, I'm about to go and do my entrepreneurship unit 2 paper 2. Yeah, I'm about to do my entrepreneurship unit 2 paper 2. It's at 1, it's after level, so you know my hours are running late. But I am about to go and do the exam. I'm not nervous. This is a subject that I love. I can teach it. That's how much I love it. So yeah, that's it for today. I studied I barely studied yesterday due to, you know, the incident. But anyways, if you're about to do your exam today, whenever you see this, just know somebody that pray for you, big up on yourself, and so they can do anything through Christ who strengthens us. I am so happy to be alive. Wow, I am so happy to be alive, and that is the most important thing. So remember, life is too short. Tell everybody you love them. Even if you and them have something, try to fix it. Don't go to bed upset with anybody. That's in the Bible too, so you need to, yeah, you need it. But anyways, if you make it this far in the video, don't subscribe yet. What you do? Hello, what's keeping? Please to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Let me know if you're new so I can give you a post notification shout out. What did I just say? So I can give you a shout out. Otherwise, from that, just go and make up on a nice thing by yourself, and see you in the next clip. Alright, so morning, welcome to the next day in the vlog. So dark, yeah. Welcome to the next day in the vlog. It is actually the next day. I didn't come back yesterday because I don't know, I'm currently going through a friend loss, so it's kind of heavy on me. I was just not well yesterday. Anyways, I'm about to go and do my Caribbean Studies paper 1 exam. I'm kind of blank right now as to what to say, but just pray for me. Big up on yourself. I'll try to come back. Whenever I come back, I will be telling you about both exams. Otherwise from that, just go and big up on yourself and just continue watching this vlog. Oh my gosh guys, I am extremely late. Today I have management of business paper 1. Yesterday's exam went good. The day before that exam was good as well. It's a 3 back-to-back exam I have. I am holding the faith just for who is concerned about me losing my friend. Everything is okay. I'm standing firm. Word for today and word for yesterday. Word for yesterday was try to be strong. It's not easy, but you can. Word for today is hold the faith and you control your mind. Your mind is very powerful. You go tell yourself, okay, this is what I'm going to do. Then you can do it because you can do anything you put your mind to. I know, like, exhausted. I've been crying, so I got a lot of baggy eyes. But nevertheless, it's exam time. You have to stay strong. That's what my friend would want me to do, so that's what I'm doing. So until then, just go and see the next clip. I know this vlog is all about school, so I don't think you should have a problem with me always in my uniform because that's the time I get to come. I'm a marina. But anyways, I'm gonna see you guys in the next clip. Wish me luck, good luck on your exam. Until then, see you in the next clip. Bye. Anyways, if you're seeing this after the first clip, that means I forgot it all. But my camera not working. Not the camera, the SD card not working with me. Like, I've been trying to get footage before my ear do. Anyways, nevertheless, my hair is done. Y'all won't be seeing it until tomorrow. I I so love it. It's cute, simple cute, something simple, something cute. But yes, tomorrow's graduation picture. So stay tuned for that. I also have my final exam. Yes, I also have my final exam tomorrow. I have intro paper 1 unit 2. So that's what I'm about to do tomorrow. I don't have that. Don't forget my preview. I'm here. Then go say yes, but I'm gonna keep it until tomorrow. But I was saying that, people. I'm just that tuning back with them. So I'm gonna see you in the next clip. At this time, I'm about to go and shower, and I'm about to go and start studying for my exam tomorrow. And as soon as I get up, I will start the preparation with y'all. I have my makeup appointment in the morning before I do the picture. So I'm gonna see if I can squeeze y'all in that aspect as well. If not, that means I just didn't get a chance to. But hopefully, fingers crossed. Let's see what tomorrow brings. Word and code for today is you can do anything to Christ who strengthens you. Tomorrow marks the day that I'll be leaving high school for the second time around, because I'm not in a sixth form. It's like pre-university. And I graduated in 2019. So you know, I never saw myself coming thus far, but I made it. Inner city youth made it once again. Possible. Anyway, so until then, just see you in the next clip. Until then, just go big up on yourself. If you wanna reach this far, I don't subscribe, like, share, and comment. What are you waiting for? Are you even a real one though? Check yourself, subscribe, comment, like, share, tell a friend, 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 dog. Period. Until then, just go big up on yourself by yourself.
Let's creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
The makeup process is finished. I'm gonna insert one video or something for you to see. But otherwise from that, we're about to go ahead put on my mask. I'm a big kid now.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never to start to spread, and I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens.
Alright, so we're finished and everything, and we're now about to go and do my exam. This is my friend, my next cute friend. So when I go home, big up them. Watch how we are adults. Watch your style later. Everybody, so I'm finished taking my pictures, and I have exam right now. I'll see you guys after my exam. I love you guys so much. Thanks for listening. I might see you guys after the exam. I'll come back and tell you how we go. Until then, bye. Alright, beautiful everyone. So I am done with my exam. I don't know what I'm gonna say. My dad's silly people. My dad's silly. Yes, I know. But I'm done with my exam. Exam was okay. To all Dainelle tired. Dainelle forgot to go ahead and adapt me as I walk from that. I forgot. For what you call it then. Sign my paper. And something still come out me give my ones. Hello. But yes, I am finished. Exam was okay. The other exams were okay. I don't know if I'm going to input that. I still input it because after all of the part 2 plus graduation get with me. See this? You know why? I'm going to exam go sleep. Go sleep. Oh yeah. And today I'm just going to make myself I'm gonna go home. When I'm at home, I'm going to do the review on the products that I have because something was wrong with the camera when I did that the first time. So until then, I'm gonna do that when I get home. I know. People think so look like petite. I'm a favorite anyway, but yeah. So until then, I go soon. When I'm done, whatever comes next in the club. Listen to me, I'm going to be in a lap on the mattress. Who don't love gummy bear? Yeah. Anyway, alright, so the first product I'm going to show is from Beesimone. But they actually start that video here. But as I said, the chip, the SD card problem. I never remember. I tell myself to remember me. And to remind me. Sorry. Forgot buy it and never remind me. Anyway, so I actually got 2 products from her. It is the body butter. And I got a face glow wash. Cause I don't know if you can see. But I have some bumps. Yeah, I have some bumps. But now I got some fine with me. Not so well. So I was trying to, you know, get some. I'm also using my sister's soap. Cause my sister sells soap as well. Some face soap. Why? I can't call my sister one name, but as we go there. Alright, so the first product from Beesimone that I'll be showing is the body butter. Yes, this is the body butter. And then this is the label girl, and you're getting the ingredients right and stuff. You know what I'm buying up now? You know what I'm buying up when you look allergy. I'll do unshoot something there. Anyways. So this is actually the snickerdoodle one. Snickerdoodle. It looks like this. It smells. Let me tell you about the smell. Listen, the smell come like a oatmeal cookie. You feel like you just cook. Listen, get the vision. You just go on your ride. You reach out to Waterloo with a Mega Mart. And you take a look at time cruise to the aisle and you reach the spot, the bakery section there. When you go, and you go pick up your oatmeal cookie. And you take it and warm it and go. See it here. See it right here, so people, you're not going to make a mad see it here. So if you know, say you love like oatmeal and baga. She have different one, but I told you snickerdoodle because if me I buy online, I'm going to try and get the crude fave. That's what the craze I'm going over, you know? Yeah. So I'm gonna get this. I have no regrets using this but cut. Have no regrets buying this body butter. So we're gonna show you like a demonstration. See right here, so natural skin. Take some. Women don't need nothing because the girls say Alton. The girls say moisturized skin. Me on the phone can't see. I'm gonna show you my next time. The girls say moisturized skin, and it feels so good. I can't that I've been using it because I never just dug a bite and then start this at time. No, not look. I wonder if you I'm gonna see through the light. Wanna see that? Wanna see one shiny and that one. Let me use my elbow. I'm determined. See there? You see that? Like rubbing butter, body butter. And then I'm cooking oil in it. Body butter this. And it butter. Period and blood in it. Oh my god, that was too ghetto. That was too ghetto. Alright. So listen to me. It lasts for I think for me personally it lasts like half of the day. It moisturizes skin, people. If you want your skin feel so moisturized and you just want to feel you know that feeling there, this is the one for you. I would advise you though, you know, you have pros and cons to everything. Not everyone love the little food scent, because it personally for me, I don't like anything that smells too much cinnamon like. So I think I'll be getting the next one. But the scent, I feel like I take a trip on my grandma. I'm not eat oatmeal cookie, but this one yeah, I feel like I try it just to be someone. And let me tell you something. Her service was, she updated me. She reinforced that she has me in the back of her head. She was making the product. I'm gonna say, yo, Brittany, please hit me back on that. And she hit me up and she answered quick and fast. I wonder if I will by people. Listen to me, the girl branch off. Our business branch off. If you don't know Beesimone or Brittany Simone, she's from, oh my god. Well guys, I met her. Well, I didn't meet her, but I first knew about her from Drew Michelle and Chad Lucci, because it's Drew Michelle best friend. So I'm gonna see this girl and I say she look nice, and I hear say she do her product because her skin. Me I tell you something, ever look at people's skin and ever look at the product that people use. I am all about body butter. Me I tell you no. Let me show you. People me used to, but I use the body butter here. So all who go to school and ever say, why didn't you so sparkly, you sparkly? You saw it done? Nice body butter name. You're the one by Bath and Body Works. Nice people, nice. And there was another 3 hot one that I use. Nice. So my auntie got the good things there, and she get them for me, love. Move my good ear, and move my good ear. She know the good things there. Anyway, so the next one that I have is the Glow Face Wash. I am actually using it. Don't mind that. I use it just now. Move it now. Work with me. I'm not use nothing, but I use it right now. So with this, I'm not going to show you, man. Just look at it, don't move. You see how it's moving? It's nice. It doesn't have, it's not scented. It's like liquid. From you know, you think about liquid, you think about that one liquidy scent. That's the Glow Wash. It made my skin feel soft, so I had after that. What I didn't like though, there wasn't any instruction on it. It was just the label, and I was looking to see something like, oh, use it with hot water, massage your skin, the necessity of a face wash. I didn't get that though, so I think you can take that suggestion. No hard feelings. I'm very bluntly honest with my bad things. I'm a review. But otherwise from that, I love it. I love your service and your beer funny. I look like a piece of trash when I take my video. I'm texting my Instagram, not about right, so let me text you privately. But I love it so far. The body butter I will surely be buying. Again. But the next time I'm going to try something that's not so strong for me. Like I don't like cinnamon things. But this, as I said, I want to go buy oatmeal cookie, girl. Oatmeal cookie. I'm gonna eat oatmeal cookie. Make it make sense. Anyways, so the next product that I'll be doing is from my sister. It comes, oh, I never get it so the girl not careless. So I actually got it in this package. Big though, I'm full people them out the road my bro. Yes, so I collect it. It actually came with a card, you know. Okay, I'm find it. So I got this bag. It says thank you. I like that it's not see-through, and like it's not. I like saying no see-through. You know what? Not everybody want you buy a package and everybody for know. I don't like that. When it comes to that, I like if it's coming in something clear, make it be cute and clear. Cute, you know. For promoting, I understand. But some persons, the clear bag is like this. Oh, by the way, this is my trophy that I got the other day. Clear bag like this, I don't like it. I think it's tacky. No offense to whoever do it, but I think that you should always try to, you know, your promotion. Anyways, I also got this card. Yeah, let me read it for you. So it says, welcome to the Beesimonebeauty family. We're so glad you decided to join the hive. Remember, girl, all about her theme, you know, you realize? She put up on her Instagram, her personal page, that pink is her favorite color. I wonder if you know the theme. The girl up on a theme, you know. Hats off to you. Anyways, yeah, so, and then remember, the brand is Beesimone. So she said, we're so glad you decided to join the hive. The girl up on my feet, I love that. So she said join the hive because you're part of the Beesimonebeauty fam. Okay, so she said, and we're sure your body will love you more for it. I think my body loves me more for it because the moisturizer, body butter, is such a beauty. Alright, so it said please tag us review all the necessary things I'm gonna put in there. Trying to close off this vlog and I'm not trying. Even terrible one though. Alright, so this is my sister's. Yeah, sister. I know I'm gonna say, yes, I use the one there, but what happened to the one here? I'm actually this start use the one of them soap here. I'm a fan, I'm most my auntie one. I use people things. Anyways, I'm gonna say no man, this will work for me, this is nice. I have like a bump right here, so Massney. By the way, Beesimone also sell things from Massney. She call it Massney because you know you wear mask, you get the acne. Love that. She sells a lot of things. Yeah, so go check her out. The link to her business page will also be down in the description box below. I'm gonna put her name up on the screen when I did talk about it. So yeah. Alright, so let me tell you. So in the package, these are the actual things that I purchased. Reasonable price. I'm not disclose it. If you want to know, go on over on our page. And if you want to know about for the one too, go on up on the page. Hello, I'm not talking to write yourself for just waste my energy, waste my breath. When you go over there, I want to spend. When you support the people there, make them know say they did from Keep It Real with the channel. Say no, I make them know now. Make me know back in. Come on, no, say some real people sit down and say watch my things. Alright, make sure me tell them no. Make sure. I just want to make sure me tell them. Alright. So. You know for the girls them and for boys too. Why use this for? Well anyways, for the girls them when you see them go beach and them want them look a bronze looking body. I put it right there so this now it's a liquid. When you're wearing your bath suit and so forth, I'm not gonna see it. I don't know my sister don't see enough time. For those here up on the channel, if you don't know why, surf my channel. Search it. Just surf around and you'll see it. Alright, so I really cannot pronounce her name. Yeah, I can't pronounce it right so except for the dynamic. Alright, look here. Her name is a tongue twist. Tongue twist. Listen to me, pack up the whole lot of production, yeah. But here, the name I got the right son, and the link to it will be down inside the description box. But this of one, yeah, the good body girl them I gotta take. Even if you just gonna take picture, you go to the beach, you go pool party, you know you have a resort and you want your body look good in a picture them. You must see the girl them when like the fashion over girl them when you know them the dark skin they don't want or them skin like a list of them skin look like milk and it look look washed down in some beauty supply things. See it here. I don't know if I know. See it here, nobody here, watch out. And it's practically oil, but there's a lot of beauty. I look up right this but I just show me if I show one of the things I'm not there. Comparing to the dry one here. See, so I take my picture, you get body melt down, look good, solid down. Alright, so the next one now is this soap bar. This soap bar, I think it's the honey and caramel. Yeah, this is the honey and caramel. See, Mike? But I never heard of people them name. But yeah, I can put it right here, so never mind. I put it right here, so. But I know say it's the honey and the cinnamon. Caramel. Why? But this is it, guys. So it is what I've been using. In terms of the scent, it smells like soap bar. Not extra nothing like that to it, but it's very nice. I promise you, when you use it, you see changes. Like if you have some little pimples on your face, you can use it. There's some other things, but me not stress it. You know why? Because the link in the description box below. And you know what you can do? Just click it. Make your life easy. And name fancy, the link down in the description, so you can go, you can add and support and make sure you say they listen to. Yeah. So along with it, she did give me this sample of the other soap that she's selling. She have more than one soap, people. She have a variety. And she also sell bag. Remember when in my birthday video I say I have a brown bag or I don't want to show it. She sell those as well. I don't know if she have any in stock, but I want to do just go DM her, do your little query, find out. But anyways, she sent me this sample bar of her charcoal, and I don't remember the other part of it, but it's charcoal soap. I'm gonna put it right here. Yes, this is also good for all bag of acne, for your pores, for regenerate the skin. I'm gonna see me go over there, man. For me, to tell you what I will, then we'll go up on the page. I'm gonna know everything about it. But yeah, I also got 2 cards. So this card, be by people there so them can read. Practically a thank you card. So it says thank you for your support. It has a business page, both on Facebook, YouTube, and also Instagram. On this one, it's a little bit fine printed here. You can read personally, so because you're not here personally, I'm going to have to read it. So it's just saying the name of the business, the benefit. She said her waiting there. What to say? True beauties have no flaws and stay beautiful with radiant youth. Chef kiss. Anyways, yeah. So otherwise from that, it's just the links to her other pages, and that wraps up for the review section of this video. So you make it this far. Yes, I make it this far. You watched the part where I completed my exams. My GRAD, get ready with me when it comes to the review. Listen to me. The summer has just begun. Are you ready for the other contents that's coming your way? Let me know. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it this far, you haven't yet subscribed, what are you doing? Make it make sense. You can't reach up for another video, still not subscribe. Are you even a real one? You come on the channel and say keep it real. You not keep it real. Brother, make sense. Make you want me for subscribe. I'm just subscribe. I'm just go wait right there. So. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you know that you should share. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, to tell another friend. So then I want people to keep it real with her. Until then, just go and pick up on yourself. Bye!